A wise man once said, "We are what we think about, having become what we thought." If you want to realize your dreams and your thoughts influence your future, you must train your thinking. Morning affirmations are a powerful way to direct and guide your thoughts in the right direction. This practice amplifies the law of attraction and awakens your subconscious mind. The following affirmation offers 9 principles that will give you more control over your life. It begins as you take a deep breath and let yourself relax into focus. Allow unnecessary tension to fade away. Dismiss distractions. Be present in the moment. Leave the past in the past and the future in the future. You cannot change the past. You cannot predict the future, but you have power over the present. Instead of being reactive, be proactive. If the day is hard and hope feels lost, reflect on all the strength and insight your past has given you. Become a master at finding the good in each challenge. Always listen to the quiet voice of wisdom. Know that all is as it should be, and you can guide and govern your future. Quietly remind yourself that everything will be okay. Certainty is a mindset, nothing more, nothing less. You can overcome anything. You have experienced, seen, and done things that no other has. You possess more insight, knowledge, and wisdom than you realize. You are more powerful than you can even begin to imagine. Know that right now, your endeavors are being rewarded. Just as seeds grow beneath the soil, your dreams are becoming reality. From the core of your being, believe that your dreams will be realized. Know that something watches over, guides, and protects you, and feel the strength, confidence, and peace this truth brings. Know that you will succeed. Appreciate the endless intricate details that surround you and see how all parts play into a bigger picture. Pause your judgments so that you can understand everything just a little more and act at the right time in the right way. You have endless strength within yourself, but remember to give and gain strength to those around you. Balance your emotion with logic and add logic to your emotion. Remember that balance is power. The way you choose to see the world decides how you respond to it. Be realistic and optimistic. Train yourself to find the truest joys from the smallest of things. Overlook the imperfections in others. Let your voice be heard, but remember to listen. Show yourself patience and love, even if you are not exactly perfect. Nothing is perfect, maybe not even you. Everyone still has much to learn, even the one in the mirror. Forgive parts of your past and have faith in your future. Just as yesterday became today, relax and know that today will find its way into tomorrow. You cannot see the outcome of all your actions. Just know the right actions will lead to the right outcomes. Clarity of mind removes deception. Practice discernment, for it offers protection and clarity. Knowledge is simple enough, but add your uniqueness to it, and it will grow into understanding. Time tests all things, and through time, your understanding will become wisdom. Wisdom is the foundation of existence. Share it with all who you can. Your mind is your own, and your thoughts shape your reality. Your purpose is more important than you can even begin to imagine. Every day, you improve the world in some way. Every word you say has power in its own way. You have no idea how important you are. My friend, realize that everything you think, see, or do repeatedly becomes a part of you. You are what you think about, having become what you thought. If you were to draw strength from these words every day, there is nothing that could stand in your way. Only those who govern and direct their thinking can control their lives. Start your day the right way. For at least 1 week, begin your day with an affirmation meditation, and you will have more control over your life.